So this is the remaining half of aloe vera that I used the last time. It's been in the fridge for about 2 weeks now, so I am going to be using it for today's recipe. So this is how I like to extract my aloe vera gel. Do whatever works for you, but this is how I like to do it.
Aloe vera helps to treat dandruff and itchy scalp because of all the antioxidants and minerals it contains. It also repairs dead skin cells, which promotes healthy hair growth.
So I'm going to use my hand to just squeeze it out. I don't want to use the blender today, so I'm just going to use my hand to break the aloe vera gel. This is my black rice that I just got. So I'm going to be adding some of it into this jar. I'm also going to be adding some fresh rosemary leaf. So I kept this in the fridge for a while now. As you can see, it has some, is it freeze bite? I think that's what they call it. So I'm going to be adding some of it into this as well. Next, I'll transfer my aloe vera gel. Yeah, as you can see, I still have chunks of aloe vera. It's not an issue because I'm going to sieve it out later. I'm going to be adding some water so I can have more juice. Yeah, so I'm going to stir them, just stir everything. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to infuse for at least 24 hours. You can choose to let it infuse for just few hours, but nothing less than 2 hours, so you get the best out of it. So now I'm going to let it sit and infuse for a while before I use it.
So I decided to do the double boiling method after 24 hours to get the best out of the rice and rosemary. Rosemary helps to boost blood circulation to scalp, which promotes healthy hair growth. It also treats dandruff and prevents hair breakages. So I decided to add some essential oils. I'm using the eucalyptus. I'll also be using my tea tree oil and my peppermint oil. All these essential oils are optional. You do not have to use them. You can use it just the way it is. So the reason why I decided to use black rice is because it is high in protein, which helps to strengthen your hair strands. It also adds shine, moisturizes your hair, and promotes hair growth because of all the minerals it contains. I decided to use black rice because it is more superior than the white rice and the red rice, but you do not have to use black rice. You can use any rice within your reach. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.